Hello friends, we are engaged in learning the principles of breath, the principles of body, and the principles of circumstances, and all these to manage life well. In this video, we will try to understand the significance of the holding of out breath and what inherent potential lies in this learning. If we go on practicing the available practices of breath, we will understand that the holding of out breath will lead us to such inner temperament where we can think before committing to our words or expression, which used to come from inside of us. If we notice, our exhalation is always shorter. It is because we have the habit of taking things more and discarding things less. This is our preference. Rather, we should understand very deeply that how the rhythm is imparted to a human. Then one will surely conclude that holding or taking pause before committing to anything is very important. So this holding of exhalation needs to be practiced more. When we exhale, there are numerous things or impressions with which we live, and it will go outside if we hold the exhalation. And hence, the inner ease or the rest can be felt. Now, this can be learned in two ways, one external or one internal. External means by operating around certain breath command or the practice, which will lead us to the understanding of natural thinking. If we don't work on these practices, then the thinking will be a mixture of the three different phases of a human: the pure phase, the impure phase, and the mix-up. And then internal practice must also be done by having certain experiments around the sense receptions. And after going through a series of mistakes or experiments, rather we should say, we will understand to gain a rightful or mindful decision to lead our country.